Challenge quotes to keep going and never give up. There is no challenge more challenging than the challenge to improve yourself. Don't limit your challenges, challenge your limits. Each day we must strive for constant and never-ending improvement. Be your biggest competitor, challenge yourself each day to be better than you were yesterday. Always believe in yourself and always stretch yourself beyond your limits. Your life is worth a lot more than you think because you are capable of accomplishing more than you know. You have more potential than you think, but you will never know your full potential unless you keep challenging yourself and pushing beyond your own self-imposed limits. Challenges make you discover things about yourself that you never really knew. There will always be obstacles and challenges that stand in your way. Building mental strength will help you develop resilience to those potential hazards so you can continue on your journey to success. Part of the challenge that comes with striving for success is how the entire journey comes with its own fair share of failures and disappointments. Take one step in the direction of your dreams and watch the universe perform miracles to help you. I want to challenge you today to get out of your comfort zone. You have so much incredible potential on the inside. God has put gifts and talents in you that you probably don't know anything about. It's always darkest before the dawn. The bigger your challenge, the closer you are to your victory. When things do not go your way, remember that every challenge, every adversity, contains within it the seeds of opportunity and growth. The key of success is for you to set one big challenging goal and then to pay any price, overcome any obstacle, and persist through any difficulty until you finally achieve it. When we set an important goal for ourselves, we present to our minds a problem to be solved, a challenge to be successfully fulfilled. When you first start off trying to solve a problem, the first solutions you come up with are very complex, and most people stop there. But if you keep going and live with the problem and peel more layers of the onion off, you can oftentimes arrive at some very elegant and simple solutions. Challenges are an opportunity to test you and rise to the next level. The big challenge is to become all that you have the possibility of becoming. You cannot believe what it does to the human spirit to maximize your human potential and stretch yourself to the limit. Challenge yourself every day to do better and be better. Remember, growth starts with a decision to move beyond your present circumstances. It's the lack of faith that makes people afraid of meeting challenges, and I believe in myself. He who is not courageous enough to take risks will accomplish nothing in life. When the going gets tough, put one foot in front of the other and just keep going. Don't give up. There's always a new challenge to keep you motivated. Life is about accepting the challenges along the way, choosing to keep moving forward, and savoring the journey. Suffering presents us with a challenge to find our goals and purpose in our lives that make even the worst situation worth living through. The great challenge is to refuse to let the bad things that happen to us do bad things to us. That is the crucial difference between adversity and tragedy. The longer we dwell on our misfortunes, the greater is their power to harm us. You just never give up, no matter how hard the challenges are, and observe this world with a healthy dose of criticism, and don't just follow the herd, like somebody else might do. The soul always know what to do to heal itself. The challenge is to silence the mind. Thanks watching. Health, happiness and peace for all.